Hi, my name is Patty Hasmer, and today I'm going to show you how to make White Castle copycat recipe. You're going to need ground beef, a half a cup of water, 2 to 3 beef bouillon cubes, and some minced onion. And I usually have the water, you know, steaming with the minced onion and the beef bouillon. And as it's cooking, I add more water to it a little bit so that it breaks it up, okay? So you might want a bottle of water next to it. What I do to make it more like White Castles, because my father-in-law lives in Arkansas, so they don't have White Castles there, so he always misses it. Is you take the hamburger meat and you smash it onto like a cookie sheet or whatever, and I freeze it in the freezer for like 10 or 15 minutes, just enough so that I can cut it. But you could also make regular sized hamburgers too. But if you want to make it like the real White Castle hamburgers, you just make it like squares then, okay? I'm going to tell you, I don't care how much you make it as thin as you want. You're not going to eat as many White Castles as you normally would. And then you just cook it in there. That's all. Just like a regular hamburger. Now, I'm going to show you how to smash this down after I put these in here because they're hungry and they're wanting to eat. I said, you're going to wait, I'm going to show the video so that Amanda will have a copy of our recipe. Okay, I actually got this recipe when I used to volunteer for my oldest son David's baseball team. And you had to do the concession stand. I don't know if anybody ever had to do that, but oh fun. Remember those days. But anyways, they used to sell hamburgers there at the one concession stand. This is how they had them in a crock pot with the bouillon cubes and the minced onion. I thought, wow, that tastes just like White Castle. Who would have thought? Anyways, so if you're gluten-free like me, the gluten-free bread is really tiny to begin with. So I usually just have like 1, possibly 2, okay? But people that could just have regular buns, I'm going to suggest the sweet ones, the Hawaiian buns. But if you want it just like White Castle hamburgers, get dinner buns, okay? And make sure you have pickles, because you're going to have pickles for that. All right, so you just take your hamburger meat, you just kind of push it down onto the cookie sheet. That's all. I just wanted to show you that. And then, like I said, you take it and you freeze it for like 10 minutes, so it's easier if you want the squared ones. Now me, I don't care if I just make it a regular hamburger. Sometimes I do that if I don't have the buns for my son Michael loves White Castles. But if you're home anyways and you have these ingredients and you just don't feel like going out because it's probably cold outside, or you moved and there's no White Castles there, this is a great copycat recipe. Okay, so you just make your regular burgers. The cheese, I'm going to be honest, by the time it cooks, the burgers, when you make them like the squares, you probably only need like, I'd probably just take one piece of cheese and cut it into 4s and just put a little cheese on it. But if you like more cheese than that, you can do that. Add more cheese, you know what to do. And this way too, like if you're gluten-free like me, it's not like you can order the burgers without buns, but it always takes so much longer. I don't know why. But then this way, so sometimes I'll just say, well, don't worry, I'll try and scrape it off or get it off the bun. But it's so into the burger, then my stomach swells because I have allergies to it. So anyways, if you're gluten-free like me, don't even, just make it this way. It's just easier. And it's a lot cheaper, let's be honest. White Castle used to be so cheap, and now, I mean, I think it's 20 burgers, you get fries, and we don't even get soda with, and I think it's over $20. $20. Anyways, if you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.